Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be going over my review on these titanium cutting boards from Heiat. So I do want to thank Heiat for actually gifting this to me. So what we essentially have here is 3 titanium cutting boards that come in a variety of different sizes. So the main feature of it is these are actually made of titanium. So they do look like this and it weighs quite a bit. But with a 3-pack of Hyatt, you get 3 cutting boards. So the first size here, which is the larger size, this is around 16 by 10 inches. Then you have a medium cutting board, which is around 13 by 8 inches. And then you have the small cutting board, which is 10 by 6 inches. So essentially with the 3 different cutting boards, what this means is that you might have a larger one for your meal prepping. You might have a medium one for cutting, let's say, fruits and vegetables. And then you have a small cutting board, which comes really handy for doing like one-time cuts of, let's say, an apple or a lemon. So my first impressions was I never knew that titanium cutting boards ever existed, nor did I ever know the reason why I would need to get one. But they feel very different from wood and plastic cutting boards. It's very rigid, okay? They do not bend, they do not flex, as you can see, but it's pretty lightweight technically for a metal cutting board. They also have some sort of modern appearance to them right over there. But with it, because it's made of titanium, there's no glued on layers, there's no manufactured coatings, there's no seams. It's just a flat piece of metal. So with these titanium cutting boards, they're less likely to crack compared to wooden cutting boards. In addition to that, these are not going to absorb any moisture at all. And they're also not going to warp like some other cutting boards as well. So with these cutting boards, it is dual-sided. So no matter which side you use, you are going to get the same benefits/purposes. You can use one side for meat, you can use one side for vegetables. It doesn't really matter, but because you can use both sides, there isn't going to be any cross-contamination, for example. Now, with these cutting boards, as you can see the surface here, it is non-porous. It's not going to absorb liquids. And best of all, once you're done using these, you can easily throw them straight into the dishwasher. So it's going to be a fast cleanup compared to other wooden cutting board brands where you shouldn't be throwing them into the dishwasher. These ones are dishwasher safe. Now, with these titanium cutting boards, these are going to be knife safe, meaning that if you use your knife on this, it's not going to dull your knife after use. You may see some surface scratches after using this cutting board just because it is made of titanium. In addition to that, because it's not porous like how wood is, these aren't going to smell. So there's going to be no place for any food bits or for any food particles or liquids to kind of house these titanium cutting boards. Now, I've used my fair share of cutting boards before, especially like the wooden ones. Compared to wood, you won't need to oil these. You don't need to condition them. There's no drying procedures. Just after you're done with them, throw them into the dishwasher, turn it on, and there you have it. I've also used my fair share of plastic cutting boards. Plastic cutting boards tend to actually stain easily, and they also don't absorb odor as easily as well. So with these metal titanium ones, they're probably just going to stay looking like this, with the exception, of course, of a few scratches. Now, there are potential downsides to these titanium cutting boards. Metal surfaces, when you're cutting on them, can be a bit louder than wood. Sometimes people prefer the feel of wooden cutting boards. I mean, look how thin this actually is. These also can be seen as a premium cutting board just because of the titanium fixture to it. Now, from my point of view, because I've had my fair share of uses of a plastic or wooden cutting board, those tend to stain, and I don't really like having to take care of those. I'd much rather have a titanium cutting board just because it's easy to clean up. It doesn't house any odors or any food particles. Just throw into the dishwasher and there you have it. So I hope this video helps you figure out whether or not these titanium cutting boards are for you, and also going over the pros and cons of a titanium cutting board versus a wooden cutting board. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.